wait. Oh, it's broken, isn't it?
Oh my God.
I need a paddle.
There you go.
There we go. You go to backwards, don't you?
Poochie's mom?
Are you Poochie's mom?
I need a paddle.
Okay, Poochie's down here. I just wanted to let you know.
How'd you get down here?
Christine said it was okay for her to
Go
come
one
down.
way.
Oh my God, it's not okay.
What's wrong with this silly thing?
Thank you.
Hey, look it. Oh, there we
She told me I
go.
had to tell you.
Oh, the steering works now. Hey, you little devil. Jump in this quicksand. The steering mechanism.
Hey, did you pull your ropes in?
Where? Oh. Ooh. Wait, the steering's all messed up on this. I can't reach.
Why is she in that? She should not be in it.
That's a big piece of wood here for fire.
Wow. That's all right. How'd you get that, man?